Hello, it's me again, so just doing another little makeup tutorial. Here I am looking all pretty and gorgeous and stuff, and basically if you want to watch it, keep watching. Okay, here we go, here's the intro. You know, it's always so hard to kind of keep up with, what's happening. Jesus, my hair's pink. Anyway, first things first, we're gonna put the hair out the way of the face. Primer. We like to do some priming. Basically, my vibe for this was I wanted it to look like really gorgeous and fishy, but beautiful and glamorous, like a woman in makeup. Starting with some colour correcting and dampening and all that stuff. This day was for like a chicken shop before work gig, so she had places to be. I remember going to work like this. I was so tired this day. So anyway, just doing some spot concealing, and now we're placing down the highlighter with a stark white, because I do love a bit of contrast, and you can see I'm bringing my cheeks all the way up, because I just want to look snatched. This is how to look snatched without surgery, by the way. I also really like a really light brow bone lately, and a light forehead, and then we're placing down the contour with a very dark concealer, and then blending that all in. It'll go much more like faint once it's blended, especially if we put a base in the middle, so don't worry if it looks a bit crazy, but you know, I always look a little bit crazy. Okay, and now I'm doing this thing around my lips, which I don't really know if it's necessary because I overdraw my lips anyway, but it's just to give some shadow moments there. Also contouring the jaw because I want to cut down all those square angles. You know the drill, you know the score. And then blending dark into light. Oh, here we go, a little stick foundation. These things are so like moist and like wet and dewy, and I just feel like a woman with skin when I wear these, as opposed to like a kind of weird skinless kind of skeleton alien creature. That is what I am naturally. Okay, put some concealer on the sides of the nose, to the cheeks. It just gives the illusion of having a skinny nose. Now unfortunately I already have a skinny nose, so it sucks for you. Anyway, some absolutely white concealer in the lightest of the light places, just to really, again, just ham up the absolute contrast. I'm gonna just look so pale under those eyes, and I really like a pale brow bone. And now everything we just did, we do it again, but we do it with powder. We do it with powder, louder, and prouder. And then a bronzer contour powder over the areas, but I like doing this with the powder because it's easier to blend and make everything look more like natural, realistic shadows maybe. Okay, now it's for the eyebrows, so I don't want to look too harsh, but I also don't want to look like a man, so I've still got to lift it, but I don't want to look angry. But it is what it is. Me hair can always cover them if they look crazy, but you know, using my real eyebrows, how's that for something? That might look crazy, but once you do the eye makeup to compensate, it won't look that crazy. Here I am bringing the hairs inwards, because I like to have my eyebrows close together, but then I also like them to be quite high in the middle. I don't want to look angry. A generous amount of powder, ready to catch the eye makeup, the various eye shadows. I actually put base on my eyelid. I don't normally do that, but I guess I was just feeling real fish. Here we are with some blush. If you do blush before eyeshadow, the blush looks like crazy bright, but then once you do the eyeshadow, I swear, you won't even notice the blush. So you may as well just pack it on. Look how bright that is. I've used straight up just pink eyeshadow there, I guess. I look crazy, but I wanted to look alive and real. Now, I think the theme for this is just like pinks, warm tones, browns, and everything like that. So lots of peaches and browns and pinks. So I'll start off with like these brighter colours, pinks and orange and stuff. But then I blend it all out, add a bit of brown, and then it just kind of becomes like the undertone. Here I am flicking it up because I want my eye to take up a lot of space on my face. And then from a distance, it'll look like I've got these lovely big eyes that just come out and up, and they're just snatched and gorgeous. So blending that all in, going from darker on the outside to lighter in the middle, to kind of suggest a more open eye in the middle, and also not forgetting to really pack the product on the lash line. I'm really into using like reds and pinks towards the lash line. It makes my eyes just look sore almost. And then while I'm there, I'll throw some on my nose and my lips, just so I look naturally kind of flushed. Here I am throwing a little bit of a highlighter on my eyes, I think. Or maybe it's just a shimmery eyeshadow. Just, you know, so there's some shine going on. Look at that. Again, it just makes me look real, because I want to look like a real person. Today we are going undercover as real human people. So there's a pink highlighter and a yellow highlighter. Am I going to do a third one? No. But we are doing some liner. So, the liner is a felt tip, and I need to do a lot of liner because I need to stick my lashes onto something. And yes, it's quite thin. It looks so nice and tidy. But there I'm redrawing on where the top of my eye is going to be. So, you know what I mean? Rather than ending it where my eye ends, I'm ending it where my eye should end. And look at that, I've just got these wide eyes now. A little inner flick, because we think we're like cats. And then my beauty secret is blending the eyeliner into the eye with a black eyeshadow. Look at that, it just makes it look so clean and nice. And I swear, ever since I was doing this, I just look prettier. A little bit on the bottom, because you can't leave the bottoms out. You know, they don't shut up otherwise, I'd tell you. Eyeshadow on there just to blend it all in. You know the score. And then, oh, more eyeliner. This time it's a liquid for the absolute finest of the fine details. Oh, I look cute. Oh, I love that. So this is self-explanatory. Do you need me to really explain what's going on here? Who doesn't know what's happening? I feel like I don't even need to be here, but this video needed audio, and I needed it to sound like I have a personality, rather than just throwing some music on, and then I would have had to give the instructions in as like subtitles, and I can't be bothered doing that. That takes so much time. Anyway, use a little lip brush with some white on it to really draw in some light highlight details, especially reinforcing my inner eyelid crease socket situation. Overdrawing the lips in a lovely kind of dark, bricky, reddy, nudie, browny situational colour, and then a nude lip, maybe various nudes, and just gorgeous woman. Is that setting spray? I hope so. There I am, nice and wet, and this face is just it. And then a gloss, you gotta do a gloss. Oh, that's such a nice gloss. Look how shiny those are. Oh, girl. Anyway, the face is done. I hope you liked it. Well, you like it. You like it, okay. And on to the transition. This was a dress that someone bought for me, and it was really, really, really expensive. Doesn't look it. And then my human wig is my first time wearing it, and it looks so good here. I look so good. I look so pretty. And if I pretend this is a tutorial, you can also look this pretty. Yeah, you're so welcome. Anyway, I need this video to get to 8 minutes so I can monetize it, because I'm literally only doing this for the money. Potential money anyway. So here's some pictures of me going nice and slow to take up the time. We've still got 30 seconds to kill. Also, Patreon. Special thanks to Alex, my first ever patron. Patron? That's someone who goes on my Patreon and sends me money. There are benefits if you do that. Most of all, helping me and getting a shout out. So if anyone wants to support me, please do that. The links are all in the description, and they're even on screen right now. Send me money, you'll get things. Or just subscribe, watch my old videos, subscribe for future videos, check me out on other social medias, especially Instagram and Facebook. I'm really active, and yeah, come back for more. That's all from me. Bye.